So how do you keep the clock showing on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and sort of these videos like this one, right? So first of all, what you are referring to is most likely the always on display. It can be found either on the Apple Watch or on the iPhone in the Watch app, but it is part of the display and brightness section, and there it is, like the always on. And it's not like every single Apple Watch supports it. There might be some that simply do not have that feature, some of the like quite older models, but most of the newer ones do support it, so make sure you have it turned on. And also there are some things like you might decide to be visible alongside the clock, like for example the notifications or some apps or the live activities. But the whole point is that once you have the always on display enabled, it just means that you can use your Apple Watch, have it on your wrist, and it doesn't fully ever go black. It will always it's not going to be like prominently shown, but it's going to show the time like that, right? So that's kind of how it works. That is the always on a display. Outside of that, you also have the wake duration, which is a slightly different thing, which, it just means that you how long it takes for the Apple Watch to go black. But, it's a separate thing. So just play around with that option as well if you want to. But most definitely, you're going to get the job done using these methods. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.